We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 13. Layton made a table that correctly shows the attributes of shapes. She used a check mark to identify the attributes of each shape. Which table could be the one Layton made? A is not correct because triangle is not a quadrilateral. B is not correct because circles do not have vertices. D is not correct as a rectangle is a quadrilateral. C is the correct answer. Question number 14. A group of people bought tickets for a roller coaster ride. The group spent $4 for each ticket. Altogether, the group spent $48 on tickets. Each person in the group got 2 tickets. How many people were in the group? Each person got 2 tickets and $4 for each ticket. So each person spent $8 on tickets. Altogether, the group spent $48 on tickets. Each person spent $8. To find out how many people were in the group, we divide total amount of money, which is $48 to $8 equals 6 people. Question number 15. Carter and Dane shared a package of 8 baseballs equally. What fraction of the package of baseballs did each person get? Two people shared a package of 8 baseballs equally, so each got 4 baseballs. The fraction represents 4 out of 8. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 16. Each side of this figure is the same length. The perimeter of the figure is 72 inches. What is the length of one side of the figure in inches? The perimeter is the distance around the outside. There are 8 equal sides of an octagon. So the length of one side of the figure is 72 divides by 8 equals 9. H is the correct answer.